Hi and welcome to tutorial video. FinCon Accounting has a function that enables users to send emails from within the system. The setup process consists of two steps. In this video I'll be showing you the first step, which is to enter the SMTP settings in FinCon Accounting. You can find the link to the second step beneath this video. The SMTP settings that have to be entered consist of the following: the address of the SMTP mail server, the username required to log into the SMTP server, if any, the password required to log into the SMTP server, if any, the port number for outgoing emails, and whether the service provider requires TLS or SSL to be used. This information can normally be obtained from your IT administrator or your email service provider. Once you have all the information necessary, you are ready to enter the SMTP server settings. This is how you create a SMTP setting definition. Log into FinCon Accounting. Navigate to System, then to Mail Settings, and lastly to SMTP Settings. Enter a descriptive name for the SMTP server definition in the SMTP name text box. Press the Enter button. Check that a confirmation window has appeared with the following message: the SMTP definition does not exist. Do you want to create it? Click the Yes button. Enter the address of the SMTP mail server you want to connect to in the Mail Server text box. Enter Y in the Authenticate text box if the email server requires authentication, or N if the email server does not require authentication. If you want all users to have the same authentication details and send emails from the same mailbox, enter a username and password here. If you want each user to have different authentication details, do not enter a username and password here. This will be entered in step 2 when you set up the user email settings. If this is the case, you need to enter Y in the Authenticate text box. Enter the port value for outgoing emails in the port text box. Enter Y in the Use TLS text box if your service provider requires TLS or SSL to be used, or enter N if it is not required. Enter the maximum amount of time, in seconds, FinCon Accounting should wait for a connection to be established before it times out in the Timeout text box. Enter an email address in the BCC text box to which all emails sent on the relevant SMTP server will be BCC'd. Note that this is optional. Click the Accept button. Note that the username and password entered here will be replaced with specific user authentication details if they are set up in step 2. The second step is to link all the relevant users to the SMTP server settings you entered in step 1 and to enter all the relevant information. Be sure to watch the video for step 2. You can find it in the article linked beneath this video. Thank you for watching and happy accounting!